Why is it a vital necessity to have all 12 systems working in a practice? The same reason it's important that your pulmonary and cardio system in your body are each separately working well and that they integrate correctly with the rest of your body. It's that simple. When you have numerous systems in your body, as you do in your practice, each must be working well and each must integrate with the others. If they don't, you get aches and pains, sluggish, and medical bills go up. When your body systems work, your body functions better. Same as your practice. If your practice systems don't integrate properly, they become inefficient, and you're not able to produce the amount you want to. And even more simply said, you lose a lot of money that you shouldn't have to lose due to one or more of the systems not functioning properly. Each system in your practice can be defined, analyzed, and corrected individually. The 12 systems then need to be integrated so they can work together as a whole. So, after analyzing over 6,000 practices all over the United States and Canada, with over 30 years of research, we formulated what exactly the systems were, how they integrate, and how to put the 12 systems into your practice. In the beginning, we looked to see if anyone else had broken down all the practice systems and codified how they integrate, but it was nowhere to be found. No one else had done this. You can now analyze each of the systems, diagnose the problem, and correct it. Practice owners are not as efficient, productive, and financially viable when they do not have each of the 12 systems defined, and do not understand how each one integrates with each other. We can help you and your practice. If you want to know which systems you're missing, or how to improve your current systems, call now and get your free practice systems evaluation and stop wasting time and money.